He started with nothing but a voice and turned it into a movement. From the streets of Malawi to the heart of Africa, this is Patience Namadingo, the voice that heals, the soul that inspires. The story you never knew but need to hear. In the warm heart of Africa, Malawi, a boy was born on May 28, 1990. His name was Patience Namadingo, and from a young age it was clear this wasn't just any boy. There was something in his voice, something pure, something powerful, something that moved people. As a child, Patience was surrounded by gospel music. Church hymns, local choirs, and the deep faith of his people shaped the foundation of his soul, and it was from this humble beginning that he would begin his journey. One note, one song at a time. By the late 2000s, Patience stepped into the Malawian music scene with a clear purpose, not just to entertain, but to inspire. His early music carried the message of faith, hope, and redemption. Songs like Lero and Kondabe became whispers of encouragement to the hearts of many. People didn't just hear him, they felt him. But Patience wasn't meant to stay in just one lane. As the years passed, his sound evolved. Gospel turned into Afrobeat, into soul, into reggae, into something bigger, something borderless. His 2016 hit Masati Miseke was proof. He had found his voice beyond the church walls, and then came the song that echoed across the continent, Mapulani, a melody so rich, so emotional, that it became a national anthem of love and vulnerability. It catapulted him into regional fame and won hearts from Malawi to Zambia and beyond. But Namadingo didn't stop at music. In 2020, the world saw another side of him. The mashups, a creative genius move where he merged songs of Malawian legends into live medleys, honoring his roots and uniting generations. People weren't just listening anymore. They were watching, learning, and admiring. That same year, he was awarded an honorary doctorate from the University of South Africa, not just for his music, but for his humanitarian work, his role in shaping mindsets, and being a light for youth across Africa. Now known widely as Dr. Namadingo, he wasn't just a singer, he had become a movement. In 2021, Namadingo took another leap. He moved to Zambia, signed with Elation Entertainment, and began creating music that blended Zambian, Malawian, and African flavors. Songs like Dere, Tumani, and Adowana introduced him to new audiences. Yet his heart remained rooted in Malawi. As of 2025, Patience Namadingo stands as one of Malawi's most iconic artists. His voice, calm, soulful, and unshakable, continues to carry messages of love, courage, and faith. His journey has taught us that music is not just sound, it is healing, it is hope. It is fire. And that's the story of a boy with a voice, who became the voice of a generation. If you don't subscribe, you will never see us again. So please consider to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more videos like this.